How to screen record on Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to learn how we can do a screen recording on the Galaxy S25 series or even the older gen devices. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started using our today's video. If you want to screen record on Galaxy S25 or the other series, then it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now to screen record, first, simply swipe down your control panel settings and look for the screen recorder icon. If your Samsung Galaxy actually comes with a recorder, now normally S25 series will have it. If you do not see it, then you can tap on this little pencil-like icon from the top. Then from there, you can tap the edit button and add the screen recording toggle to your control center. Now once you've done that, you can long press on screen recorder icon to enable or disable some of the settings that you want to. Once you're happy with the settings, to begin the recording, tap on the screen recording toggle. You can choose to record sound or not record sound, only record sound from the phone, or record sound from the phone as well as the microphone. Then you can show taps and touches or so on, and you can begin the recording. You can skip the countdown, and now your screen is being recorded. If you want to stop it, you can tap this icon. If you want to just pause it, you can tap this pause icon. If you want to show your selfie, you can just go ahead and enable your selfie like this and so on. And you can just hit the end button to end the recording, and the recording will be there in your gallery. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.